Goldman Sachs shocked Wall Street. Banking giant turned Bitcoin into yield machine. Nobody saw this coming. Old financial titans bow to crypto. Get ready, game changed forever. Watch history unfold. Goldman Sachs enters the arena. They are testing tokenized lending backed by Bitcoin. Wall Street wants crypto yield, but they need it safe. The banking giant is building the ultimate low-risk system for institutional giants. Big banks panic. Wealthy clients demand crypto returns now. Adapt or die. Wall Street giants bend knee to digital assets. Survival requires total shift. Old money joins revolution. No choice left. Wall Street giants do not take no for an answer. When regulators blocked Goldman Sachs from tokenized lending, the bank did not back down. Instead, lawyers hunted for loopholes, turning strict rules into a high-stakes game of financial chess. Goldman Sachs flees America, launches secret pilot in Europe. Why? U.S. regulators too strict. Now giant bank tests tokenized lending across ocean. Rules differ there. Watch closely. Wall Street shifts. European banks join pilot. Goldman Sachs issues first tokenized loan. They test system safety. Big finance moves to blockchain. Risk is high. Watch closely. Future of money starts now. Europe's pilot succeeded. Rival banks panicked. They watched success, then rushed to launch tokenized lending platforms, must protect market share. No bank wants to be left behind. This digital race is on. Now, Goldman Sachs pushes its pilot program deep into Asia. Powerhouse institutions in Singapore and Hong Kong are starving for yield, demanding entry. The Wall Street titan has no choice but to answer the call. Asia pilots succeed. Global network now link Europe and East. U.S. regulators watch big capital flee. Now they rethink ban. Will they join or get left behind in dust forever? Wall Street won. Regulators finally cracked under intense pressure. Now Goldman Sachs quietly deploys their American pilot. Banking giants took control of the game. How will you survive this shift? Goldman Sachs enters game. U.S. pilot launches. Wall Street floodgates open. Billions in institutional cash now pour into system. Everything changes. You cannot stop this massive financial tide. Wall Street panic. Big banks clone platforms to steal market share. Meanwhile, Bitcoin price explodes. Institutional giants buy fast, fear missing out. Can traditional finance survive this digital gold rush? Massive traffic surge push network to brink. Total collapse loom. Goldman Sachs act fast. They rebuild core infrastructure. Systems survive. But can they hold line when next wave hit? Goldman Sachs fused global networks into single giant yield engine. Bitcoin becomes official collateral standard for Wall Street. Traditional finance system dies today. Are you prepared for this massive shift? The old financial system is dead. A new digital gold standard is here, and it is reshaping the entire world. The train is leaving the station. Will you climb aboard or get left behind in the dust?